Hello everyone, welcome to James Marketing Channel. Today, I will present to everyone how we could use multiple Instagram accounts, and we're going to post Reels Instagram automatically on all of these accounts. Guide and recommend to everyone. This is the MKT Instagram tool. Help us manage without limits Instagram account. I've got over 100 of those accounts right now. And then, will help us is to go to this automated messaging, scan data, or we could go viral marketing by posting article, reel video post, setting post. Today, I will show you how to post Reels automatically on all our Instagram accounts. So now I will set up some of these basic configurations, just like this part 1 will, 9 threads at a time. Go there and post a video. 20 here are some of the basic configurations. People will set it up same too. The next is, I will choose the videos to post. I am currently using the MKT Viral software to download a series of short videos on the platform, TikTok or Douyin, and so on. I have some videos like this. Everyone can see it. Here are all the videos I downloaded from TikTok, and now I'm going to use it for automated posting. On the Instagram platform, people, I will go to the part. Select these folders. I'll select a folder to contain those videos. After choosing, I can choose more. The content of the description. I'll choose the categories described. I have prepared it here. That. And the software will automatically select the ones described here to create a description for these videos. And I'm going to save this. After saving it, it shows 188 videos here. And I'm going to pick and post this description. And people can tag user or the main channels of you guy in here. For example, if I'm working on the subject of perfume, for example, I'll tag my perfume channel there. It's very convenient. Next, we can automatically interact with the article that we just posted. This comments section, people can completely attach things like the link of your website or our main channel or something. Go to our sales page. For example, I'm making a series of videos about perfume, as I say. I can tag this main channel, and then I added the website link so that customers can buy there. I'll give you an example of any link here. For example, any link. I will put my Facebook link, or I'll link to the page. MKT software homepage. I'll save it here now. Now I just need to select the accounts. Let me run in series. That's it. Let's see how the software works. The setup is extremely simple. And now I'm going to run the software. Let's see how the software works and see you all in the following videos. Hello, goodbye everyone.